What's going on, YouTube? I finally am back from the dead. What's happened or what's been going on with my life since my last video? My harness bar is finally installed. The panels aren't on, so I don't know if I'm gonna put the panels on today. I've gotten my vaccine for COVID. I was dead for like a day. Shit was horrible. My son Cooper, he's been a little shit. We're supposed to spade him soon. He's getting his balls removed. Yeah, you're getting your balls removed. Anyways, as far as the car goes, today we have to wash the car, show you guys what the new color that I got it painted, just because some stuff happened and I had to paint the car because I was dealing with the dent on the door and a bunch of scratches that I needed fixed. So I fixed that and I chose a new color, and the color I chose is, I want to say it's a unique color, man. I've been getting a lot of compliments on it. What else have I done? I finally put the center caps on my wheels that I have, so I'm excited with that. And we have a new install that we're putting in today. I bought a Works bell hub off of eBay. It was the cheapest one that they had. I want to do a review on it just to see if, even if I want the Works bell hub, because I kind of want a quick release, man. I really like quick releases, but this whole new style is everybody's getting these hubs that tilt up, and I don't know if I really like that, man. I was always the kid, especially in high school, I used to have these eBay quick releases, and I'd have the eBay steering wheel and I'd hook it onto my backpack, and I thought I was cool, and I really like that, and I'm still gonna fuck with that, but I'd rather get some genuine parts for the quick release and the steering wheel. But we're gonna see how this Works bell flip hub goes and see if this $45 thing is gonna convince me to spend the $300 on the actual one. And yeah, I'm gonna give you guys some edits of the wash and show you guys the new paint right now.
Yeah, we made it, you don't gotta say shit. I've been waiting, girl, you know I'm patient. Hit my line and you know that I'ma fall through. Hit my line and you know that I'ma fall through. Tell me when to go. Whoa.
What's up, guys? I finally finished washing it. Didn't take too long. What I used to wash it was, I bought this foam gun at Harbor Freight, and it worked pretty well. It cost like $15. I used the McGuire's wash as well that I bought there. As far as the color, you guys see the color, and I love the color. It looks really nice.
I like it.
Yeah, my dad loves the color.
It's nice.
It's a nice color.
I'm gonna go to Tropicana.
Shut up. Alright, guys. As far as things that I noticed, let me see what I can point out real quick. I'm gonna have to switch the camera up because I'm using the face cam. So give me 1 second. I think it was, man, you guys can't even see it in the camera. Right around here, it seems like they ran it. That was one issue that I found with it. Also the moldings, the trims that they put on, it doesn't seem like they glued it back on, or I don't know what happened, but the trim isn't on properly. So I have to figure out what I have to do with that. They also detailed the car, and you can see parts where they didn't really finish it. So I don't know if they burnt the paint. I don't know if they burnt the paint, or yeah, it's kind of pissing me off. I don't know if they burnt the paint or they have to actually detail it better. I'm gonna take it to an actual detail shop to tell, so they can let me know whether they burnt the paint or just need to detail it better. Depending if they burnt the paint, they're probably gonna have to respray that again. There's parts of the bumper that still have orange peel, which doesn't really irritate me that much. I had a really big dent here that they fixed, and it seems I want to say that they actually took out the dents, so, and they just didn't put glaze putty or Bondo over it. I feel like I did have a door ding here that they might have just used Bondo on, but you know, again, I feel like you do get what you pay for when you go to Maaco. I did get their highest quality paint from what they told me. Yeah, from what they told me, I did get their highest quality paint. I paid a little bit over $4K for it. What irritated me was that they didn't prime over it. They just sanded down the paint and they painted over it. But then again, like I said, you get what you pay for. If I had a garage myself at my house that could fit my car, I probably would have primed it and sanded it myself, and it would have been a cheaper job at Maaco. Overall, I think that the quality of paint that they did, or the job, was good. I mean, their customer service was good, and the flaws that they had, they fixed. So I'm happy with that. I supposedly have a 5-year warranty with them, to see how the paint lasts, whether the clear starts fading, peeling, things like that. They don't cover rock chips, which is fine. I am going to go back to them soon because I do have a wide body kit that I bought off Amazon and we're gonna have to get that painted, and I have to cut these fenders, which kind of sucks because I just got it painted, but we got to do it for the vlog, you know. And yeah, we gotta get started on that Works bell hub, guys. So I'm gonna go grab those things, the tools that we need, and yeah, I'll be right back. All right, guys, so the bell hub, or the tilt hub, this is it. It has the little screws and adapters and stuff for it. It says it's Works bell. It's not. I know it's not. I'm not gonna tell you guys it is. But it tilts up. That's nice. Anyways, I got this, I think, for $46. We're gonna see how long it lasts, and hopefully I don't die, you know. And if I do die, you guys are gonna know, and I'm gonna make you guys not buy this, you know. Regret buying something that's cheap off eBay. Anyways, I have to take off my steering wheel too. I think I told you guys that it was crooked earlier, and it's been crooked and I just never fixed it. So I need to do that. Holy shit, I haven't returned those shoes, man. Fuck. And they haven't even charged me for them. Oh, I need to call them. Fuck. Alright, the fuck was I saying? Alright, we're gonna get to this. We're gonna take out the steering wheel. I really don't wanna fucking show you guys the whole process of fucking taking it off, because I'm sure you guys fucking know how to change the steering wheel. Like, if you're here, you know how to change the steering wheel. Like, it's not fucking rocket science, you know. I mean, it is if you have an airbag, but we showed you what to do. So yeah, we're gonna get to that, guys. We're gonna change the steering wheel, and I'll show you guys how it goes. I'll be back, and I finally finished it. It was about 2 hours of a job, man, because I kept messing up. Damn, the sun. I kept messing up. I kept cutting wires, and I did a very Mickey Mouse job, to be honest. And if you don't know what that means, it practically means that you fucking bullshitted it. Bullshitted it. That's not even the word. Yeah, no, but I definitely messed up, and I almost ended up not having a horn. So make sure you don't have to cut your fucking wires, man. As far as the tilt hub goes, I did install it, and it's finally on. The process wasn't hard at all. The only issue is it doesn't stay up. The only reason it kind of stays up is because it'll stay up right there, and it'll hold on to my dash, I guess. And yeah, that's because the keys are on, so that's why it moves. I don't want you guys to get fucking, you're gonna die, because I might die. I don't know, shit, anything can happen. But I mean, oh shit, my bad. Out of 10, I'm gonna give this fucking $45 fake ass work hub a 5. just because as of right now it's not staying up, and I don't know if it's because I'm on an uphill. If it does end up staying up when I'm on a flat ground, I'm gonna give it a 7. But I mean, overall it looks nice. If I don't end up using that tilt, you know, I don't know. I just don't want to get hate. I bought this just to, I feel like other people are looking at this product and they're like, oh, should I buy it? And there's no videos up on YouTube about it. So I'm going to be one of the first people to put this eBay Works tilt hub on YouTube and just give you guys a review on it and see how it is. But as of right now, man, it's not staying up. And I'll probably let you guys know in the next video if it stays up when I'm on flat ground. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I don't think I'm doing anything else later today. I'm probably gonna go film some TikToks. If I do film some TikToks, follow me on TikTok. Don't be that guy or girl, you know? Alrighty guys, have a good day. Alright, I think the way I ended the video wasn't proper. So what I'm going to say right now is I've had the tilt hub for 2 days already. It does not stay on. I don't recommend it whatsoever, so I'm not even going to put the link in the bio because it's such a trash product. I don't think it's going to break on me, but it doesn't do what it's supposed to do. I mean, I think it's supposed to stay up, you know, but it doesn't stay up, and it just kind of, I mean, yeah, you can tilt it, but there's nothing. The whole thing is to show the steering wheel flat, you know, and it doesn't do that. So it's kind of irritating. I don't recommend this product whatsoever, guys. So yeah, man. Other than that, guys, have a great day. Make sure you guys tell your significant other you love them. And yeah, have a good day.